How to fix Gold Notes feature missing on Instagram. Well, this issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. In the source bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, click on Update and update your app. Once you have got the latest version of the app, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, you have to search for the application Instagram. Once you find it, move into it. Now tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will also clear all of the unwanted bugs. And it might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. But if you are still having the issue, then what you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Once you have reinstalled the app, open the application Instagram and check whether your Gold Notes feature is available or not. If it is still not available, then what you want to do is you can simply report the problem. You have to state the problem that you have been facing to Instagram support, and within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Gold Notes feature missing on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.